Hello children, we discussed the problem till fifth problem from algebraic expressions. So let us start with the sixth problem now. Subtract the product of 2x into 5x minus 5 from product of 3x into x plus 2y. Okay, subtract the product of means first you should find out the product of this one as well as the product of this one and you should subtract this from this product. Okay, so let us do the products separately. So first we will find out the product of 2x into 5x minus y. If you observe carefully, this is in distributive property, so we should distribute this 2x to both of them, both to 5x and y. So 2x into 5x, simple, 2x into 5x, next here plus 2x is there, so write plus 2x into, now it should be distributed to y, so it is minus y, so I will write minus y. Okay, distribute this 2x to 5x as well as to this minus y. Okay, now what you will get, first multiply the coefficients, 2 5s are 10, next x into x, x square, next plus into minus, minus, 2 only 2 is there, so write 2 as it is, next x into y is xy. Okay, as they are unlike terms we cannot simplify it. Now next find the product of this 3x into x plus 2y. Okay, so 3x into x plus 2y, it is also under distributive property, so distribute this 3x to both of them, so 3x into x, next here plus 3x, so write plus 3x into, here it is plus 2y, so I will write 2y. Okay, now 3 into 1 3, x into x, x square, plus 3 2s are 6, x into y is xy. Okay, this is your product and this is also a product. Okay, subtract the first one from the second one, so whatever is there, whatever product is there after from, that should be written in the first. Okay, so 3x square plus 6xy minus, what is the first term, sorry, first expression, 10x square minus 2xy. Okay, now remove the brackets, so 3x square plus 6xy will be as it is. Now minus into plus, minus, simple, whenever minus is there before the brackets, you should change the symbols, inside symbols. Okay, whenever minus is there before the brackets, the inside symbols changes. Okay, so plus 10x square will become minus 10x square, minus 2xy will become plus 2xy, because minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus, it will be opposite. Okay, so now write like terms together. Here 3x square and minus 10x square are like terms, so I will write them together, 3x square minus 10x square. Next here it is plus 6xy plus 2xy. Okay, 3 minus 10 is minus 7, because the big number symbol is minus, I will write in minus, minus 7x square, plus 6 plus 2 is 8, so 8xy. We cannot simplify this because this is here, these two are unlike terms, so this is your answer. Children, do 7th problem as homework, because the 7th one is also same like 6th problem. We should find the product and we should subtract the first expression from the second expression. Okay, now here comes your 8th question. Simplify a square into a minus b plus c plus b square into a plus b minus c minus c square into a minus b minus c. Here already he mentioned plus and minus symbols, right? So we can directly do according to the symbols. Okay, before problems he gave like add the product, subtract the product in that case, right? Now here he mentioned the symbols, so let us do the product of the each and every expression separately, or you can directly do it. Okay, first you can take this expression and multiply this, next this expression and multiply, and this expression multiply, and then you can add these two and subtract this one. Or else if you want to do it directly, you can do in this case also. So let us do directly, because till now we discussed the problems in separate with by taking the separate expressions, right? So we'll do directly now. A square, so distributive property, this is distributive property, right? So I'll distribute this one to 3 of them, right? So a square into a, next here plus a square, so write plus a square into, this is minus b, so write minus b, next plus a square into c. Okay, next plus b square. This is also under distributive property. So distribute this b square to a, b and c. So b square into a, next plus b square into b, next plus b square into minus c. Right? So here minus c square. So distribute this minus c square to 3 of them. So minus c square into a, next again minus c square into, here you have minus b, so write minus b, next minus c square into minus c. Okay, so children, if you are confused, do the product of these two expressions separately, these two separately, and you can simplify. Or else if you can do directly, you can proceed with this method. Okay, so here we will do the product now. What is a square into a? You will get a cube. Next plus into minus, minus. A square into b is a square b. Next plus a square into c is a square c. Next plus into plus, plus only. B square into a, it is a b square. Next plus b square into b, b cube. Next plus into minus, minus. B square into c, b square c. Right? Now this one minus c square into a, it will be minus a c square. You can write c square a or a c square, both are same. Now next minus into minus plus c square b means b c square, or you can write c square b also. Minus c square into, this is c, right? Okay, minus into minus plus c square into c is c cube. Okay, now we'll write in the standard form. Standard form is decreasing order of the degrees. Okay, so here we have a cube, next here we have b cube, next here we have c cube. So let me write that a cube, b cube and c cube together. A cube plus b cube, and here it is plus c cube only. So let me write c plus c cube. Next minus a square b. Let us see whether any like terms are there. Minus a square b. So see, any a square b is there? No. So we'll write minus a square b as it is. Okay. Next plus ac square, plus ac square. This is ac square. This is also ac square. So I will write together. Sorry, this is a square c, this is ac square. Both are different. Okay. So this is plus a square c. Next this is minus ac square. Because here square is for a and here square is for c. Both are different, children. Okay. Next plus ab square. So I'll write plus ab square. We finish writing all this. ab square ho gaya. Next b square c. Where is b square c? We didn't write. So let us write minus b square c. Okay. Next plus bc square. Okay. All are unlike terms only. So we cannot do any simplification. So just I have written in the standard form. Okay. We cannot simplify this. So this is your answer. Here is your next exercise. Sorry, 11.3. So the first question is multiply the binomials. We already know binomial means two terms, two unlike terms. So if you observe carefully, 2a minus 9. These two are unlike terms, so it is a binomial. As well as 3a and 4 are two unlike terms. This is a binomial, right? So binomial into binomial. Multiply this binomial into binomial. Okay. Just multiply means write them in brackets. 2a minus 9 as well as 3a plus 4. Okay. Both are under multiplication. Now simple way, I will explain you this problem in a simple method. No need to worry. See, 2a minus 9, 3a plus 4. What you have to do means take any expression first. 2a minus 9 or 3a plus 4. Take any of the two expressions. So I select 3a plus 4 or 2a minus 9. It is your wish. Let me take 2a minus 9. Okay. 2a minus 9. Okay. Now here you check whenever you are taking the first expression, you check how many terms are there in the second expression. If you are taking first expression, check how many terms are there in the second expression. If you are taking second expression, check how many terms are there in the first expression. Here he mentioned it is both are binomials. No need to worry, both will be in two terms only. Sometimes there will be a trinomial, there will be a multinomial. Okay. In that case, whenever you are taking an expression, you check how many terms are there in the other expression. Okay. So here in other expression we have two terms. So I'll write this one 2 times. Okay. Whatever you are taking, that one you should write as number of times that other expression is having. number of times the other expression terms are having. Okay, here we have 2 terms, so I am writing this one 2 times. If you have 3 terms, you write this one as 3 times. Okay, so 2a minus 9, 2a minus 9. I repeated this 2 times. Now this one, whatever the other expression is there, that one you should split it. 3a plus 4. So here you should give 3a, and here plus 4 I should give to this one. Okay, simple. Write this one 2 times, and the other expression you split it, 3a and plus 4 separately. Okay, now this is under distributive property, right? Distribute this 3a to both of them. So 3a into 2a. Next, here plus 3a, so plus 3a into, it is minus 9. 3a into minus 9. Okay, next plus 4 into 2a. Next, plus 4 into minus 9. Plus 4 into minus 9. Okay, so 3 2s are 6. A into a is a square. Next, plus into minus minus, 3 9s 27a. Okay, plus into plus plus, 4 2s are 8, so 8a. Next, plus into minus minus, 4 9s are 36. Okay, so here I will write according to the degree. So 6x square, only one term is there, I will write 6a square as it is. Now minus 27a plus 8a, we can simplify this. So plus, both of them are different symbols, means you should subtract it. So 27 minus 8 is minus 19a minus 36. Okay, they are unlike terms, so we cannot simplify. So this is your final answer. Children, do second, third problems as homework. They are same like this only. If they are both are in minus, you should give here minus. If both are in plus, you can give plus here. Okay, so according to the form symbols, multiply them. Okay, so the next question, fourth one is m square minus n square and m plus n. Okay, both are binomials. So m square minus n square into m plus n. Okay, so split any of the two expressions and write any of the two expressions 2 times. Okay, so let me write this one only 2 times, m square minus n square. Here also you will have m square minus n square. I wrote 2 times, and the other expression is splitted, m here and plus n here. With the symbol you should split. Okay, now I can distribute this, m into m square. Next I should distribute to this one, so plus m into n square, or you can write plus m into minus n square. Okay, next plus n into m square. Next plus n into minus n square. Okay, so m into m square is m cube, plus into minus minus m n square. Okay, plus m square n, next plus into minus minus n cube. Okay, now I will write according to the order, degree of decreasing order, or else I can say like it as a standard form. So m cube, next minus n cube. Okay, minus mn square plus m square n. Here we have square for n, here we have square for m. Both are different. Okay, so they are unlike terms, so I will write both of them also. Okay, so that's it. This is your answer. We cannot simplify it because 4 of them are unlike terms. Okay, so do all these problems, whatever, simplify according to this way. Here we should do the multiplication of binomial into binomial. Okay, simple. Write any of the two expressions 2 times, and other expression you should split it with the symbol 3a plus 4. Children, if you forget writing plus here, all of them will be under multiplication only. See, without plus, everything is in multiplication only. Right? So now again distribute this one. Here also 4 should be distributed, and simplify. Whether if the like terms are there, you can simplify it and you can write your answer. Clear?